The next safari pack covers the Etosha National Park of Namibia. With the Etosha salt pan dominating this region, this park features a predominantly arid shrubland or semi-desert setting that is much drier than the previous two parks. Despite this, a variety of large game mammals and antelope take advantage of the sparse but protein-rich flora, consequently attracting many predators and thus forming one of the best safari settings in Africa. Iconic animals from Etosha already added into the game include springbok, of which more than 15,000 inhabit this place, the African bush elephant, of which the Etosha is a huge stomping ground for them, the common ostrich, and the cheetah. Perhaps the best sighting here is the critically endangered black rhinoceros. The Etosha represents one of the few remaining vestiges of this increasingly rare animal. The healthy population here is a particular highlight of the park. The common eland is a large stocky antelope, adapted to survive in the semi-arid shrublands and relatively harsh conditions in Etosha, where more selective grazers cannot. Nevertheless, they will readily take advantage of the various waterholes around the park. Alternatively, the mountain zebra is one of 3 zebra species, identifiable by its dewlap, a short mane, white belly, and buff-brown coloration instead of white, especially around the face. Mountain zebras do not form huge herds like the plain zebra due to their lesser abundance. They are considered vulnerable, and the Etosha National Park is an important protected reserve for this zebra. Otherwise, we move on to smaller arid adapted antelope. The dik-dik was an animal that was cited by media outlets in the lead up to release, but its subsequent exclusion is quite puzzling. The Kirk's dik-dik is commonplace in captivity, as it is a small and adaptable antelope variety. They possess water preservation adaptations that allow them to survive in the arid environments of Etosha. Similarly, the steenbok is adept in these dry environments, with a sizable population also in Etosha. Interestingly, they are one of the few antelopes that lead a solitary lifestyle instead of in herds. For our predators, we have the brown hyena, the rarest species of hyena that is only found in the southern part of the African continent. As a result, Etosha National Park is a major reserve for them. Brown hyenas feature an extensive shaggy fur coat and pointed ears, similar in appearance to the striped hyena found in North Africa and Asia. As a result, they are not genetically similar to the spotted hyena. The canids featured here include the black-backed jackal, the most notable jackal species inhabiting the southern African regions. Black-backed jackals feed on invertebrates and small mammals. They hunt but also play the role of scavengers and carrion feeders in these dry conditions, which lack sizable populations of spotted hyena found in more savanna areas. Its meaningful presence in Etosha and in captivity warrant a consideration. Alternatively, the Cape fox is a smaller canid that have similar feeding habits but are also known to feed on fruits and plants and thus are omnivores.